Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 65 Porsche. This comes from Ryan in Gilbert, Arizona. That's my home state. He's just a few hours away apparently. And Ryan has requested the internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, and his car is a 6-volt negative ground, so we have an internal power adapter too. Now, one thing I'll say about 6-volt cars, 6 volts imposes a lot of limitations on the music possibilities. The radio is set up for 4 speakers. If you use 4 16-ohm speakers, you might be okay, but you may end up only being able to use 2 speakers. That's just a function of the power adapter, but we'll go ahead and try it with 4 speakers and see what happens. I got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, and you might notice that the FM band is in reverse. The high frequency is on the left, low frequency is on the right, so that's not confusing. So let's go ahead and turn on the AM.
Available at babel.com/DNC.
Okay, and we'll try our balance and fader.
So we started using Babel.
And started learning Spanish fast.
With Babel, you can start having conversations in another language in just 3
we're gonna
weeks.
try the front
Babel's
rear fader.
conversational method teaches you real-life words and phrases.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
In bite-sized
so
lessons,
all the
you'll
way
remember
front,
what you learned.
all the way rear,
¿Cómo te llamas?
front,
¿De dónde eres?
rear.
¿De dónde eres?
Okay, I'm going to center them.
In just 3 weeks, Fader
Fader set.
stations
Okay, left,
in
right, balance.
Spanish.
Estoy muy emocionado para...
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left,
I'm very excited
all
to
the
go
way right,
to Spain with you. Vamos a
left,
tener mucha diversión.
right.
And that means we're going to have so much
Okay,
fun.
center them.
Sí, gracias. Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the
Language
Bluetooth
for
goes into
life. And now
pairing.
try Babel for free by
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's go over to AM. Let's go over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So we don't need this stuff anymore. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, and that takes care of that. We've got AM, FM, and Bluetooth on a 6 volts, so everything is working correctly. She's ready to go back to the customer, so I'm ready to get on the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print a work order which has all my prices and options, including options for turn times. So please print that up before tying me up on the phone for half an hour with a bunch of questions, because it's all in the work order. The work order will answer all your questions. If it doesn't, then you're welcome to call me. I'm happy to talk to you as long as you've already got a work order printed and in your hand. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ryan, for your business all the way from a few hours away at Gilbert, Arizona, and we'll see you guys next time.